Siamo qui con Herman Yao, il regista di Final Fight, Ip Man, che è stato presentato ieri sera per la prima europea qui a Udine al Far East Film Festival. Gli faremo qualche domanda. So Herman, have you ever been in Italy or in Udine? It's your first time here?
I've been in Italy, in Rome, and also in Bologna, and it's now my first time in Udine.
Oh, do you like the town?
Yes, I really like the town, especially I really love this film festival.
Okay. And is there any location here in the town or in Italy that where you would like to direct a movie?
I think Udine. Actually, if it can be, it can happen. It's not the first time because I know that the other very famous Hong Kong director Johnny To, he shot some scenes in Udine, and. Me too. Actually, I have a plan to make a English-speaking movie. Then Udine will be one of my considerations.
Okay, thank you so much.
You.
Thank you.